Hey y'all, we are checking in today at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. This is our first time staying here, so we're going to give you a little room tour as we tour the room ourselves. So when you first walk into the room, we got a little Mickey here in our Mardi Gras beads and a note from Mousekeeping. Just says, our hope that your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you will create here. Thank you for choosing Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. Sincerely, your housekeeping team. That's nice. And as you can see here behind me, we have two windows, big windows, because we did request a corner room. So that is awesome. It gives you a little bit more light if you want to keep your curtains open during the day. And you can also see a little bit more of the resort from your room. A little bit more of the courtyards and the other buildings. Alright, so we're going to walk through this together. These headboards and the light fixtures are all very cute, very themed. We have standard plugs and USBs now that seem to come in all of the rooms. Little nightstand. What do we got here? Okay, lights. Shut up. There is a ceiling fan in this room, y'all. I love me a ceiling fan. Runs 365 in my house at home. Nice artwork here. And you get your welcome on the TV screen when you come in. Nice space for all your little trinkets as you're staying. Coffee maker, ice bucket. It is not a Keurig. It's a Cuisinart. But we do have our Joffrey's 50th anniversary coffee blend that we probably will be using. I did think that all of the moderate resorts had the K-Cup Keurig machines, though. Oh well. Fridge for any snacks you want to have. Any snacks you have left over that need to stay refrigerated from the parks. 3 drawers so you can unpack if you're going to be here a little while. Those are ginormous. Also stand-up armoire. More storage. Lots of hangers in there. Iron. Extra pillow and blanket, and the ironing board is hanging on the wall over by the door when you come in. Also by the door is a full-length mirror so you can check yourself before you leave your room for a day in the parks, which you should do. More New Orleans-y themed artwork on the wall. And we have our bathroom. Oh, this is a little different from what we're used to at, say, Coronado Springs, because we kind of stay there a lot. Everything's all in just one big bathroom in this one, which is fine. But I do like how, like, Coronado Springs, for instance, the toilet and the shower are separated from the sink, so, you know, one person could be in there doing that thing, and then you could be out here, like, brushing your teeth or whatever. But still cool. Cute Princess and the Frog themed shower curtain. Open her up here. Some nice little tile work. Waterfall shower head. Standard size tub. I do like this extra piece back here to kind of put all of your toiletries, because not much is fitting on those other than your bar of soap. Standard body wash, shampoo and conditioner of the Disney's H2O products. Towel racks. Towel racks. We've been staying in another hotel lately, trying to save a little bit of money on these trips, and the bathroom at that particular hotel does not have any towel racks. It's the little things that you appreciate. And we also have some H2O body lotion and facial soap, extra towels, hair dryer for your use, and the vanity mirror over on the wall. I noticed this has handicap rails, but there's no railings on the tub or anything, so is that standard? Lots of extra TP, recycling, and waste bins. There are some hooks on the back of the door for your towel, PJs, robe, whatever you got. And the safe is back here in the bathroom. Lots of lighting here in the bathroom, nice and bright, so you can fix yourself up for a day in the parks. And we are actually in building number 2 on the 2nd floor in room 2201. corner room. Have you ever stayed here at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort? Let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you thought of your stay, and we're going to get started with our stay. So we'll see you later. Have a magical day, and remember, no capes. Have you stayed here in Disney's French Quarter?
No capes!